In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create simple true or false rules using if statements in Google Sheets so your spreadsheet can automatically make decisions for you. Start with a basic setup. Imagine you have names in one column and scores in another. Now you want Sheets to check whether each score meets a condition, like passing marks. Click into an empty cell where you want the result. Then type an if formula that tests your condition. The structure is simple. You tell Sheets what to check, what to show if it's true, and what to show if it's false. For example, if you want to check whether a score is 75 or higher, your formula compares the score cell with 75. If the condition is met, it returns true. If not, it returns false. As soon as you press enter, you'll instantly see the result. Once it works for one row, you don't need to repeat the process manually. Just drag the fill handle down and Google Sheets will apply the same logic to the rest of your data automatically. You can also customize the output. Instead of true or false, you can display words like pass or fail, complete or pending, depending on what fits your data. This method is incredibly useful for grading, tracking tasks, managing budgets, or checking conditions across large data sets. Anytime you need your sheet to make a decision, if statements are the tool to use. And that's it. You now know how to create true or false rules in Google Sheets and turn your spreadsheet into a smart automated system.